click for it.
Okay, I'll ask him to click. Hi, everybody. My name is Matt Krueger. I work for Schneider Electric, and I've been in the BAS industry for about, 20 years at this point, 25 years. Worked with Johnson for a while and then with Schneider. So appreciate you guys taking the time out to attend our session. I know we've been talking a lot, and I don't want to regurgitate everything that people have mentioned to this point, but it seems like more has to get done with less people. You have to make things easier. The working places that we're, maintaining and controlling have to be cleaner, brighter, better for the occupants that are working in the space, so that they have a more enjoyable work experience. And so one of the things we're doing at Schneider, and you can click the slide ahead. Oh, back one right there. One of the things we're doing at Schneider is we've never really had a line of controllers that is like a BAS type system that we brought to distribution. And this is going to be one of our first attempts. It's kind of leaning on our VT SE 8000 series room controllers. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with those, but those are configurable type devices that control packaged equipment, rooftops, heat pumps, VAV boxes, fan coils, right? And what we're doing here is we're offering a product we're calling the SpaceLogic Ready Server. And what you can do with that one is you can connect up to 30 of these VT 8000, SE 8000 devices into a pre-canned format. So you can do scheduling, trending, alarming, and have access to it either on-premise or remotely through a web server to be able to monitor those devices, be able to change set points, be able to be alerted of alarms, and be able to trend data, right? And so that's basically, the product right there is basically the Jace of the Schneider world that's been tailored specifically to work with the 8000 series controllers. So you can hit the next slide. Here's what some of the architecture looks like. So basically we have our sensors, right, our various line of sensors going up to the 8000 series controller. That's the white box in the middle. And that white box, again, is a configurable type device for rooftops, heat pumps, fan coils, and VAV boxes. It has a Zigbee wireless network on there that you can connect up to 20 wireless sensors to. And then those would go to the Ready Server. And then you have your pre-canned dashboard, so you can do trending, scheduling, alarming, and configuring of the devices all from that one interface. So it's a nice way to do something simple, to be able to be in control of your environment, to maybe have a less skilled technician be able to put it in. You don't need a programmer to do any of those devices and be able to configure them or set it up. So it's an easy process if that's what the building kind of suits itself to. Next slide. Second thing I want to show here is our partnership with Intersys. And this is a gateway product so that you can take, up to, depending upon the model, 4, 8, 12, 32 different BACnet devices, either IP or MSTP, go through the gateway cloud, and you have a cloud view of everything. And it's 10 years of cloud service, no cost at all. And it's, again, a very simple thing. What we're doing in this case is we're making templates or databases that fit 8000 series controllers or whatever BACnet device you might have. So thinking of smaller buildings, right, so that you can take and have a view of this. And again, programming is not required. High-level technicians are not required. It's made for that mid-market, smaller type opportunities. The same thing. Next slide. So here's the kind of architecture again this way. So you got a BACnet device or even a Modbus device going to the ST cloud, and then it's a simple view of graphics, right? So you can change set points, you can monitor for alarms, you can schedule. The one thing it doesn't trend, right? But at least at this point you can have a simple installation where you can look at something remotely, have control of it, and it doesn't cost big dollars. The gateway cloud or the Ready Server are both really low cost type items to be able to have connection to those spaces without the use of heavy engineering or programming or technicians.